And our little Frankenstein sugar cookie is complete. Really fast tutorial, just another quick idea you can do with a bunch of little simple things. That's it for this video tutorial. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, I really do appreciate that. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.